answer.
So let's do this again. The French alphabet. This time we're going to say it in English and in French. Okay? Are we ready? Let's do this. A sounds A. B sounds B. C sounds C. D sounds D. E sounds E. F sounds F. G sounds G. H sounds H. I sounds E. J sounds J. K sounds K. L sounds L. M sounds M. N sounds N. O sounds O. P sounds P. Q sounds Q. R sounds R. S sounds S. T sounds T. U sounds U. V sounds V. W sounds W. X sounds X. Y sounds Y. Z sounds Z. Did you get this too? Did you enjoy saying it? Great job. I heard you all from here. You did excellently well.